You guys, I thought I could never do this. But, you ain't gonna believe this. I managed to part out my Dell XPS Studio. Parted out because the motherboard on my originally came on this gaming computer messed up. So now I took the motherboard from that computer to that, hooked everything up, piece of pie right there. So everything works on there. Gotta hook up my graphics card. What else? Also, I need to rewire everything, put the hard drive in the spot where it needs to go, screw the motherboard down. The only bad, messed up thing about it is my 3.0 USB. The motherboard doesn't support it, but it's okay. I'm not gonna complain about it. That's why I got a dongle. Yeah, it works. I'm very fucking surprised. And do I need to put anything else on here? It would be nice to put the CD drive on the top somewhere, or slide it right here, because this is where the glass partition is. Maybe I could make CDs. Maybe I could part this part out. Oh yeah, this one's stuck in here for sure. I want to be able to take this out. And that will require me to unscrew this. Let me get back to you guys.